Hi, I made an AC generator out of simple materials. In this video I'm going to show you how I did it. So we have the base made out of wood. The armature windings are made out of 24 gauge wire to provide enough current. And I have the speaker magnets acting as our magnets to produce the magnetic field. I have the slip rings made out of some copper plates, and the brushes are made out of copper wire. The larger part of the belt drive is made out of sandwiching a piece of cardboard between two DVDs, and its stand is made out of gluing barrels together. The smaller wheel is made out of a steel rod, which is also holding the armature to give it a large
velocity ratio.
And for the belt I used a big rubber band. The glue from the glue sticks are able to provide the mechanical support for the whole thing, so stick to the end of the video to know more about it. Considering I used 25 meters of copper wire, it was not quite satisfactory.
Satisfactory.
Considering I used 25 meters of copper wire, it was not quite satisfactory for me, as it did not produce the wattage that I expected. So maybe in future I might create a better one. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.